want to tell the Anganwadi teachers that they are the potter that will mold the young child into a beautiful human being. And for this to happen, they have to be focused. They have to be a role model to the children in their home. Take care of all their needs from all aspects, physical, mental and emotional. It is only when the child is catered in all these dimensions that the child grows to its full potential as a very good citizen contributing to the state and to the nation at large.
This is regarding the ECCC development program. That is where this is the first program we had over here in Mormungaon Taluka, and now we are going to have respectively within this month, that is till July. I have already chalked out the program. We are going to have it in all the 12 talukas. Now the main this program is that how everyone should know how the Anganwadis work. That's why I have called the elected representatives also, the newly elected representatives, the Anganwadi teachers and the Anganwadi workers. They are the ones, the teachers are the ones who mold these children. So they have to, today they are teaching them in the way of stories, in the way of songs, and then they learn them. Today, the teaching is not by the way of strict. It is the way of you have to teach them practically. Like if you have to show them A for apple, it's not that you have to go and say A for apple. You have to show them the apple, and that is what the children like. So we believe in practical teaching, and that is what the children go. So what they actually learn over here, they also develop their skills over here. Before going to school, they learn how to be with the peer group, and they also educated how to go attend the school after 6 years.